Yo, there's a new official Flipper Zero firmware in Discord ran by your favorite hackers. It was just released a few hours ago, and the announcement that came with it caused some uproar in the Flipper devices Discord. From just almost silence to thousands of messages in hours. Let's get into it. Now, this is the announcement that was released and was quickly taken down by staff. Now, everything here is legit. They aim to be a replacement of the official firmware, but actually be active and accept meaningful pull requests. Now, the firmware is called Flipper Encore, and its objective is to be a complete replacement for everything that's dependent upon Flipper devices, including the mobile app, the Flipper Lab, and Q Flipper. I have links for everything in the description below. Now, hopefully we'll see a response from the CEO on this situation, because the conversation quickly turned dark when some members found some questionable tweets from a current employee. Now, I'll end with this because I know some will say that the community is going too far to get the staff to actually help out. But the community has been asking for help for months, including a very detailed article from the community detailing what happened and some ways that they can help us out. So what do you think about this entire situation? And are you excited to see the Flipper finally get some love? Drop your thoughts down below. I'm Jay Blank. Thanks for watching. Peace.